What's up, YouTube? So, first and foremost, welcome back to the pavement. And I got that news yesterday that dropped the valve. So, let's see how bad this is and pull his head off. Stay tuned, rock with me. Well, disconnecting all of the plugs before I start unbolting anything. Make sure I got all my wires disconnected. I'm gonna try to leave my fuel rail and injectors. I'm gonna try to leave that all together and just lift it all up and out of the way. That we don't have to mess with too much with the fuel rail injectors. We'll see when I get to that point. All right, man. So right about now, and I ain't even gonna lie, your boy getting nervous. I'm hoping this damage ain't really bad, man, and I can possibly slap this thing back together today. But we're gonna see how that go, man. Boy, nervous as hell. Off the distributor, took the distributor off, taking this hose off. I got coolant draining. Like I said, I took all the wires off for the most part. I'll probably take the throttle body off. No, I'm not gonna take the throttle body off. I'm gonna leave it on. I got this hose here underneath. I got a disconnect and one more coolant hose from the back of the idle control valve. And then start taking this valve cover off and a manifold and get this going. So my first little issue that I'm running into with my own car is the way I got these wires ran underneath the fuel rail, because I wanted to move the whole fuel rail up and over there and out of the way so I can pull ahead. But with the wires being ran through the manifold, through the bottom of the hose of the manifold, I can't do that. So I gotta unplug it. Unplug them one by one and take them off. Everything was going so well until just now. Yep. Whew. So I got everything technically unplugged, unhooked. All the hoses that I need to have off to pull this off is now off. Double checking. And I was actually thinking about seeing what my turbo manifold will look like up here. What y'all think? Should I do it? See what it look like? Yep. I think I will. I guess that's what it would look like. Mount it up in it. Don't look too bad, honestly. Unfortunately, something's going on with one of these studs or the hose on the manifold. Cause I can't push it all the way on. But I'm pretty sure it's the manifold and not the studs. But if it is the studs, these holes on the manifold had to be opened up a little bit. I'm not too sure, but this is not happening right now. Something nice though. So right now, everything is ready to come off. So now I can just go ahead and snatch this valve cover off. That doesn't want to come off. It's still so tight. Jesus. Stay tuned. So that up, come on, focus. There we go. This one here, this is the valve that dropped for sure. It's a whole lot lower. Let's see if I can get y'all a little better shot of that. But hopefully you can see it. But yeah, that's the one that dropped. Surprisingly, she's still cleaning the inside like this. Oh man, I'm gonna take all this apart, man. I guess no better other time than to add these time gears. I mean these camshaft gears. I'll throw those on right now. All right, so got everything else off. Just gotta take the head off. Like I said, that's the one right there. You can look at that, you can tell. Man, dang, man. Boy, I'm hoping it's not bad in there. Yep. All right, cool. Let me go ahead and do what I gotta do. All right, so the head is off. The head is off, and this is what we come to here. Oh man, I might got damage all over. Yeah. Look like I'm gonna be getting new pistons. Probably even a new head. I don't know, I haven't flipped the head over to look at it yet, but man, that's bad. Yeah, that's bad. Yep, that was fun. All right, so I have not seen the bottom of this engine head yet. So I'm gonna share this with y'all. We gonna see what it look like to go. We already seen what them pistons and the motor look like. Man, let's see what the bottom of his head look like, and I guess we all can be upset together at once, or just me be upset. However you feel. Oh man. All right. Here we go. Let's see. See what the bottom of his head look like. Ooh! This is bad. This is serious. Oh man, dang. Yeah. Look at that, man. Man, this is terrible. That's bad, bro. That is bad. Other chambers don't look too terrible. But yeah, it's still bad. Man. Sheesh. Yeah, this is gonna have to come all apart. So, anybody know how much this is gonna cost to be repaired? Or just find a new head? Man. Boy. What y'all think, man? What y'all thinking? New head, or should I repair it? So right now the prices for these B16 heads or GSR heads are just out of the water, out of just crazy. A lot of people probably say something like, "Oh, just go K series," but I don't want to. That's not what I want. So, what y'all think? Should I do a GSI head? Stay with a B16 head? Should I repair it? Should I find something else? Thanks for coming back to the pavement. Comment, subscribe. Remember, hit that like button.